So there's the Bronco at the closed gate. Can't see it very well from here. And that van, I guess, belongs to some paragliders. And so they jump off into the abyss there. And I guess they do some soaring. We're about halfway up. And I think I'm dying. You dying?
Not yet.
It's just me and Gary. Right, Gary? Oh, he doesn't care. He's outdoors. He's an outdoor pug. But this is the view from about halfway up. And hopefully we're there pretty quick. All right, here we are. Coming up to it. And that is the Apache Maid Lookout. Pretty cool. Would have been a nice drive up here. Gary has to do some sniffing. But it would have been a nice drive up here, but it was a decent walk, even for a old, out of shape, broken down guy like me. It's pretty cool. Too bad we couldn't have driven up here. We're planning on having our picnic up here, but obviously they don't want cars up here, which I guess I can't blame them. So we're gonna go around the corner here and check it out. Pretty cool place. I've actually been in one of these lookouts in the Angeles National Forest way back in the day. We had to move the person out. Fire season for them was over. And it was pretty cool. Had a great view. So you do have a bathroom up here. I don't know if it's unlocked. I will be finding out. And there it is. I don't know how far we can go up in it. I doubt we could go in it. Looks like it's all locked up. This would have been a great little place for a picnic. Bummer. Apache Maid Fire Tower. Fire guard at work. 4 visitor max, invite only, 15-minute limit. Climb at your own risk. Pack in, pack out. Pretty cool. And looks like we can climb up, but I imagine that the door to get in is going to be closed. We will find out shortly. We'll see. All right, here we go. This, closing the gate behind me, is going to be interesting. And I'm trying to record this because if I fall, it'd be good video. So this is the first level. Okay, now for the second level. I only went for one step and almost fell on my butt. All right. Level number 2. Holy cow. Yeah. Got a heck of a view. See the snow on top of the mountain over there. I don't know if you can see it. Hi, Gary. And get over this way. And that's it. It's locked. I doubted you could go any higher, but got a pretty darn good view from here. And it's a beautiful day, just a slight breeze. And it's all grounded. And now I gotta go down. And for that I'm gonna use both hands, because down is the bad for me. And bathrooms were locked, by the way. And I'll pick back up on the ground, hopefully on 2 feet. Oh, wait a minute. Right straight through there, which you probably can't see all that well, that's the T-Bar Ranch we were at in last week's video. So I showed a picture, a zoomed in picture from there up here, and now here we are. That's pretty cool. So the T-bar's over that direction. Man, you can see this was a great spot to put this. Alright, I'm going to put it down, put it in my pocket, and use both hands going down that. See him on the ground, hopefully on my feet. Alright, so there it is, the Apache Maid Lookout. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Now we got to start the trek down. And like I said, with the steps, down is what hurts me the most with my knees. So we're going to head our way down, we'll pick it back up, probably when we get to the Bronco. Then we got to go find some place for lunch. We'll check back then. So here's today's picnic setup. We were actually at a little overlook. Lunch today is going to be rice and these dip and ready meatballs. It's going to be interesting to do. And we have a view of Stoneman Lake. Must have gotten a lot of rain over this direction, because it's pretty darn full. But I'm going to go ahead and start lunch, and then we'll check out the surroundings. Alright, so I have the rice warming up, and I have the meatballs bringing the water up to a boil. And I got both of them right now working on my power station here, and it seems to be doing it. So that's good. And then I have the sous chef making sure everything's good. He always looks away from the camera when I point it at him. And we still have that view. Alright, there it is. Rice and meatballs and spaghetti sauce. Looks pretty good. And I gotta say, that little collapsible kettle, 7-inch skillet, they both worked at the same time. I've got the fridge plugged in. Worked off that guy. Worked great. So now it's time to eat some lunch. Enjoy the view. We'll walk around a little bit. But man, I gotta eat. Alright, lunch was a success. I'm gonna go over here and look at the signage. See if we can find a little walking path. Pretty cool little overlook picnic area. What has it got? 3 tables? 3 tables? Nowhere to go. And there we are. And let's see. Earlier we were somewhere over here. Doesn't, oh, here's Apache Maid Mountain, so that's, we were at the top of that earlier. And the T-Bar Ranch, I think, is like right in here. So that's where we were. All right, let's go back over this way. It's some nice, nice places there. Right up to the lake. It's kind of neat. This pretty gnarly tree. It's seen a few storms in its lifetime. Okay. A little more open view. Pretty big house across the way there. You hear some birds down there. Sure, there's all kinds of animals around here. So this is where we're going to end it. I see him. This is where we're going to end it. Gary's just motoring right through. He's got smells to smell. Gary, come here. Hey. Say thanks for watching. He doesn't care. I do. I thank you for watching. Do you care?
I care.
All right. Well, somebody cares. Anyway. We're going to head home. Time to feed Gary. Look at all the fish jumping out there. Holy cow. As Gary almost went down the... Boy, he's an adventurous dog. For being a pug, he's adventurous. Anyway, there's a ton of fish jumping down there. Dang. Alright, this time it's it. Thanks for watching.